What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Okay, another car. This one has to be treated slightly differently in the fact that this is my wife's revenue car. So she's an instructor. She teaches manual, which is why it's got extra pedals. We'll put some photographs in. So it's got extra pedals in it. There's usually L plates and decals and stuff across it, or magnets. They've all been taken off. The radio is utterly awful. So we're going to do the CarPlay thing as we always do the CarPlay thing.
But don't these have wired CarPlay from factory?
Supposedly, and we tried doing the updates, but the software files are not really available from Hyundai. So kind of gave up pretty quickly and bought one of these because it was, I think I paid 145 Australian delivered to the house.
And is it wired or wireless?
This one will be wireless, and it should be a 5-minute job. It's not like it should be. Yeah, famous last words. So we have a box of cables. There looks like there's a reversing camera in there, maybe.
Are we doing that?
Nah. No, well, so she doesn't want a reversing camera in the car because she wants to teach the kids to reverse properly.
Makes sense.
Many cables. Yep, there's definitely a reversing camera in there. So if she changes her mind, then we have that as a solution. And then we have, if I can get it out.
Whip it out.
That's what she said. So it replaces
Oh, it's the whole thing.
the whole factory fascia,
Oh, it could literally be a 5-minute job then.
in theory.
Take it longer to unbox than it will to install.
Don't need that.
Ooh.
So it's very similar to the first ones we had in the BMWs.
Yes.
Very similar. My radio didn't work very well in that one. And we have connected doobers.
Okay, chuck it in.
So I guess we start with some spludgers and we'll take the old one out and we'll take it from there.
It's out of the way. Before.
So this is the car as it stands at the minute and we're going to put one of these in.
After.
And look, it's got one of those.
Knob.
And it's got extra pedals. It's got pedals on both sides.
6 pedals.
But only one steering wheel. How does that work?
Not very well. Can't you just do the thing where you go...
Yeah, we've tried that in the past.
I see it on YouTube.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Okay. Spludgering. So it's already been out once because we tried to update the software for the wireless CarPlay.
When we got the new one, the seller wanted pictures of the back to make sure it was the right unit he was selling, which is a good thing. Wait for the big crack. No, not happening.
It's too cold out.
It is very cold.
6 degrees this morning. That's cold for Australia,
It's
by
very
the way.
cold for here.
It's Celsius, too, for the American people.
Not even winter yet.
When's winter?
Don't know.
June 1st, I
Maybe,
guess.
yeah, next month.
June 1st.
So another week. So these are just held in with kind of springy clip dudes. There it goes. It's no longer held in with springy clip dudes. So
1D Clipify.
this piece will need to be put into the other fascia.
What do we need? Phillips. I'll
We're
get
gonna
a Phillips.
Yep, cool. We have the fascia panel off and we've taken the buttons, which we couldn't take the cable out anyway. So that's come off of this piece, goes into the new piece. Lee's undone the screws for the vents because they're going into the new piece. We're just going to try and figure out the clips.
It's very secure.
Yeah, apparently it is.
They don't want you to take it out.
It must come this way.
Kim Jong-un says if you build cars, you build them correctly. He's the leader of North Korea, where this car came from.
I don't think that's entirely accurate.
South Korea, North Korea, it's all the same thing. Shh. We'll check back in a minute.
You'll offend
this might
people.
take a while.
Okay, so with a Phillips screwdriver and a flat blade for the clips, this has been removed from this. This can go in the bin now.
No, in the
Sorry, in the parts bin.
In the bin.
Parts bin.
Spare parts.
We've taken the 4 screws out of here, so this can come out, and there'll be a couple of clips on the back. Let's say 3 clips. I don't know if you can see that from the other side, mate. Where are we? 1, 2. The aerial comes out, which doesn't seem to work.
This should know it.
Maybe this is
2 very boring minutes later.
So I guess these will replace the 2 on the head unit there. Whether we use that one, I don't know. I don't know what it's for. It's not what I'm familiar with. That'll be the aerial, which we have a space for that. So what we'll do, as we usually do, is we'll do a dry fit, make sure it works before committing to it. Sound like a plan?
Shove it in.
Alrighty.
Ish.
And there should be USB cables as well. Okay, so first boot up to see if it works. See if we can.
Whoa!
That's instant, isn't it?
Instant is not the word.
It's obviously when it's gotten power, it's booted up. Wow.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
Do things.
I hear noise. Radio. It's already better than the old radio. We're not in Europe.
That looks better.
It's finding lots.
Oh, so it's not going to stop. It's just going to scan and.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We can skip through this bit.
We can.
I guess once it's got something we recognise, like 94.5, we can just hit the button.
Well, I might as well run through it. Ellen will program her favorites as needed.
So the scan is finished. That is a familiar station.
You're muted. Hey!
Yep, that works. Sounds actually alright. Okay, so.
CarPlay?
That looks like a CarPlay symbol, doesn't it?
Yeah.
To do your phone.
We are familiar with that. Z-Link. So I need Bluetooth. And.
Okay, so we had real issues connecting the CarPlay. We tried cabled and on or wired or wireless. We ended up going in here and into the Bluetooth settings, connected my phone here, and as soon as we did that, it activated CarPlay all on its own. So now, when we do the CarPlay thing, which is that one, it works.
CarPlay.
And we have audio and we have Waze, because we like using Waze. How good it's going to be remains to be seen, but we can continue with the rest of the install now.
Done.
So having tested this, we've got CarPlay working, the radio's working, those are the important things. We're going to put the vents back in and the switch panel back in again and put it back together.
Easy.
So this is the power cable, it's the last one to go in. I think we're good. And then hide it all.
Shove it.
Here's where we're just going to hope it fucking fits.
It's the final countdown.
Ugh.
I'm not allowed to sing.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ish. We're not in over here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
We're in.
Crispy.
Switch it on.
Switching.
CarPlay.
CarPlay.
Oh, that's attached to that phone. That's probably not going to work.
It might work.
It's working. So the CarPlay is in. That is a job well done.
Works.
It does work.
Should we pull this off or let Ellen?
No, we'll let Ellen do that. That's.
Yeah, it's not a bad screen.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, that's probably going to connect to this now, and it will disconnect the video.
Oh, turned off.
We shall see. But yeah, really happy with that result.
For 150 bucks.
Yeah, 145 Australian delivered.
Yeah.
That's a result.
Yes.
Because the radio in this car never worked anyway. It's modernised the car, I think.
Yes.
So we teased something in the last video. I'm going to tease it again.
Oh,
There's now
yes.
the thing. Yes,
The thing.
It's if you can find it, drop us a comment. You should be able to find it. There's a Facebook page that we have. There's an Instagram page that we have, and it's somewhere on YouTube as well. See if you can find it.
You'll be able to wear us around.
Indeed. As always, thank you for watching. Do the like, comment, subscribe thing. Press all the buttons.